Hi friend, this is Shirish Pandey and we are here to discuss Syria crisis. Syria is a Middle Eastern nation surrounded by Turkey, Iraq and other nations. Syria crisis started in the last March 2011. In a nutshell, Syria crisis can be discussed as following. Majority of the Syria are the Sunni, following the Sunni faith, where the ruling Basr family is of Alawite branch of Shiite sect of Islam. The Basr family ruled through the Baath party. And now we are hearing the chemical weapon attack, gruesome chemical weapon attack in the Gofa, which United Nations is investigating. And due to the chemical weapon attack on its own citizens, there is a lot of international criticism on the Syria rulership. Recently, Senator John McCain urged United States to attack on Syria, but United States is reluctant. United States is reluctant due to two reasons. Here are they. Syria is not signatory of the 1993 Chemical Weapon Convention, and Syria did not attack the internationally or another country or by chemical attack. And second, United States itself used the chemical weapon in 1970 Vietnam War. So the Syria crisis in a nutshell is present a very complicated situation in front of international communities. What is now the question arises here for the competitive perspective. What is the India stand? As usual, India is treating tactfully on this issue. India decided to everything that goes on to the Syria, which affects Syria population, should be passed by the United Nations resolution. Whereas Ban Ki-moon, the President of United Nations, ruled out any possibility of attack before the Gofa chemical attack investigation fully comprehended. So in Syria, still there is a log jam, and United Nations under the presidency of the Barack Obama decided to go for the permission for the Congress. And I think this presents a very complicated situation as a Syria, and still in what internationally goes out on the Syria, still we have to see. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And this is from